Understanding frosty weather, an English phrase explained. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, frosty weather. This phrase is not just about the weather outside. It's a way to describe a certain kind of coldness. Stay tuned as we explore this chilly expression together. Frosty weather refers to very cold weather conditions, typically characterized by the formation of frost. Frost occurs when the temperature drops to freezing point or below, causing water vapor in the air to solidify and form ice crystals. These tiny ice crystals might appear on the ground, on your car, or on the windows. So, when someone talks about frosty weather, they're painting a picture of a cold, crisp environment where you can see your breath in the air and everything is covered with a thin layer of ice. In many cultures, frosty weather is synonymous with the winter season. It's a time for warm clothing, hot drinks, and often, festive celebrations. However, frosty weather can also imply challenges such as slippery roads, frozen pipes, and the need for heating. Understanding this phrase helps in grasping not just the physical aspect of the cold but also its impact on daily life. Let's put our phrase into action. Here are a few examples. 1. I need to wear my thick coat today because it's frosty weather outside. 2. During the frosty weather, it's important to keep pets indoors to ensure they stay warm. 3. The frosty weather has transformed the landscape into a winter wonderland. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe the weather condition, offer advice, or depict a scene. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, frosty weather, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about painting pictures and sharing experiences. So, next time you step out into the cold, think about how you describe the frosty weather to a friend. Stay warm and keep learning. See you in our next video.